this.
Coming in for T-Pain.
Everybody get... Oh, that's dope as shit.
Yeah, bro.
You got a button?
I got a whole bunch of buttons. Ready? Oh, shit.
Undertaker's here! Undertaker's here! Undertaker!
Oh, shit. Wait, Kevin, hold on. Kevin. Put the gun down.
I don't with the Undertaker.
Oh, man.
Shouts out to the Undertaker.
So this puts me in like different scenarios, like based off the mood.
So
like,
wait. Jason's here.
Jason's here. Yeah, Jason. Oh, God, Jason's here. I think it's Michael Myers.
Oh, shit.